Liking it?
About just the way I thought it would right there.
How much you pay for these little gems of wisdom here, huh?
Paid about $14.95, sent off for it. Been worth every penny of it.
$14.95.
Yeah, it's kind of a typical Saturday morning around here, doing a little ranch repair. This brush hog here has been sitting in the shop since last fall. It's starting to rust out a little bit right here. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, see, we kind of rusted out and it pulled up here. So what we're going to attempt to do today is get that straightened back up, weld that, patch where it's rusted out there so we can get this brush hog back in service before spring gets here. Got the bolts and stuff out that we needed, and Mr. Tyler is getting ready to beat this thing into submission. Next thing we're going to do is probably pull that together a little bit more and start welding on it.
We'll do it.
Liking it?
I love it. Come out just the way I thought it would right there.
Alright, I'm gonna weld some more here. And then we'll get on that.
God dang it.
Need an eye flush station?
I might. I got a little something when I was walking by there. A little.
I have to go in there and get grandma.
Oh, what's on my hand?
Ah, what you have? Now what are you boys saying?
Well, I'm still a proponent for a piece of angle iron. We can do a little flepatacky and put that in there. The only thing I want to make sure is that that's not going to impede the PTO.
Yeah, I thought about that. So I kind of just eyeballed it here.
You put that thing right there, and if it's a problem,
Well, yeah, if it's a problem, we just take it out.
yeah, just chop chop.
Well, let's do a little flap attack there, get me some bare metal, and I'll get to welding.
Can you even see anything, girl?
Well, you're about to. Oh yeah, those are good. Alright, so you're also 40. You can 3, 4, 5, so same. Okay. Now, it may not be that much luck with that thing. Love it. Love it. Looks like I might be back there for a little tap in this piece. Yeah.
All right, old top hand here's putting everything back on. We got her welded up, put us a brace in there. Got some pretty good weld over here. You can roast me in the comments for the welding, I don't care. Let them rip, tater chip.